Welcome to Belay School.
Today we're going to teach you how to belay on an indoor rock wall.
Alright. We're going to show you the procedures of commands and how to strap on.
So at this point you want to inspect the rope. First you want to take the rope off the hooks, pull it all the way out, and then you want to put a knot on it so you can inspect the whole rope. And you can do any knot on it. So once you have your knot on, you just go around it and check if there's any imperfections in the rope. And once you're done, you can put it back.
Alright, first we're going to start a knot timer. We're going to do a quick 8. Alright, fine.
Yeah, so just give me him.
Tell me when. Then add a stopper at the end. Alright, different tunnel back here. Training video part. Now what you need to do is you need to inspect each other. So the 4 HT, helmet, hardware, harness, and head to toe. Helmet.
You have to set the belay device. So put the rope in the top and out the bottom. Snap it shut. If you're ready, it goes like this on your clip. If you're a lefty, it goes on here. But I'm a ready, so I'm going to put it on like this.
Okay, so before they start climbing, you want to check everything. So first you want to check their head to make sure it's not, helmet to make sure it's not loose. And then you want to check their harness to make sure there's no flaps out. And then you want to check the hardware. And then you also check mine. And then you have to look like head to toe to make sure there's no.
Just drink 2 drinks.
Oh, and then also, you want to make sure 2 fingers fit in here, so it's not too tight. Alright.
That's true.
Okay, do you want to make sure that they say the commands?
Climbing.
Okay, climb on. And then you also want to make sure you always have your right hand never leaves the rope. And yeah.
Can I get some slack?
Okay, so now when they ask for slack, you always want to keep your right hand on there. So with your left hand, you want to press this gray little thing, and you just want to squat down a little bit to get them some slack.
Up rope.
And then for up rope, you're just going to do the same hand motions you've been doing when he was climbing. And yeah. Alright, so fall on. So now when he says he's fall, you have to wait until he has both hands on the rope. And then I'm leaving mine right here. So now I can move my left hand and find the sweet spot on this one and lower him down.
Way off.
Off belay. And yeah, that's it.
This is the proper way to belay.
And remember to have fun. Thank you.